Hey everyone, this next video from Colt's Code Camp is about top CSS selectors you should know. It is jam-packed with a whole lot of great CSS information. It is a challenge activity for those of you who really want to dive into the fun you can have with styling your web pages with CSS. It will take you a while to do the activity at the end. So I'm going to say do this if you have time, or come back to it and do it in pieces as you want to learn about it. But I wanted to do a little introduction because it uses a different website to do the homework assignment. So if you scroll down on the video page, there's a link to a website called CodePen. And CodePen is an awesome website where you can play with code in an online environment. So you log into the website and you write all your code up there, and then it shows you the web page right next to your code, which is great for playing around and learning. You don't have to worry about creating an HTML file, creating a CSS file, linking them together, and then opening it in your web browser. Everything is just all in this online environment. So here is the code that Colt is working with during the exercise, so you can look at everything he did in the video. You can play with his code up here. And then down here is the homework, the CSS selectors exercise. This is the solution, the answer. Don't look at that one first. Go to this one, and if you click on it, it will bring you to the homework assignment. So you'll see the web page, how it looks down here. So this is how it is. It's not styled at all yet. Here's the HTML code for that site. So all of this HTML is there. In the middle are the instructions for the CSS. So in here it says give the body a background color of light gray, and this is where you'll type your code. But this is from Colt's account. So what you need to do in order to play and save your progress so you can work on it little by little is create yourself your own CodePen account. So if you don't have a CodePen account already, you can click sign up, and it will give you the option to sign up for free. It won't let you use your Google credentials, which is a bummer. If you have Twitter or GitHub or Facebook, you can use those credentials to log in, or just an email address. You can click sign up with email. It will have you enter your name, pick a username. Doesn't matter what that is. Type in your email address and pick a password and create your own CodePen account. I already have a CodePen account, so I'm going to log in with mine. I actually use my GitHub account, which is a place that computer programmers, computer coders can upload and back up their code and share code with other people. It's a great resource to learn about later. I'm going to log in with my GitHub credentials, and then what you need to do to make your own copy of the homework exercise CodePen is click this button down here that says fork. Fork just means kind of like a fork in the road. Make your own version, your own path in this exercise. So when you click on fork, notice how right now this is Colt's version of this code. If you click fork when you're logged in, now you have your own version of the code saved in your account, and you can work on this as you want. So the first one, I'll do this one with you. Give the body a background color of light gray. So you'll use your body selector, and then in curly braces, I can do background color and make that light gray. And then when I give it a second, and you can see it changed the background color to light gray. And you can hit the save button to save your progress, and it will save this as part of your account. If you go back to your account dashboard, it will show you, here's the latest one I copied. You'll see a copy of this in your account, and you can go back to it and you can continue working on it. Whenever you finish this assignment, if you want to share it with me, and I will give you attendance credit for doing it, and I can check it and answer any questions you might have, you can just give me the URL of your CodePen. So click up here in the address bar, and then you can right click and choose copy, or do Control C to copy, and then just paste that, add that as a link into the Google Classroom assignment. So you can add a link and then paste that link in there, and I'll be able to view your CodePen and take a look and see how you did. So you can see if I open up another web browser, if I have your URL, it will open up. You don't even have to be logged in. It'll open up your code so I can take a look at it. So that is how you use CodePen with Colt's CodeCamp CSS selectors assignment. And any other time he may use CodePen in future videos. So that is, once you have a CodePen account, you can use it for all of those. And you can also play with your own code in here too. So feel free to experiment making your own pen and making some HTML and CSS to play around with.